We currently have $2,206 on our balance. Let's see in the next couple of minutes how much we can make. And I'm specifically looking for one setup, which is the golden setup. Now, this actually looks like we might be coming up on it, and to just make sure that I'm not going to enter into a position that I am immediately going to lose, we're going to check out where this trend is actually going to end. And it looks like it might be ending right here, or we're going to have some temporary we're going to have some temporary retracement. And how did I know that? Well, that's because I used the two-touch setup. Now, so that should actually go up for a couple of seconds, and we got that one. Now, that was not part of CCI up, Williams down, or the golden setup, but I did know that it was going to happen, and you can learn about that down in the description. Head over to Telegram. Okay, so let's keep on looking. Obviously, if I see something, I'm going to take it, even though I'm specifically looking for one setup. But the golden setup uses the CCI when it is down below, as well as Williams in the danger zone, and CCI is pointed down while Williams is actually coming up. Now, with this one, we actually have both that are down in the danger zone, but we actually want to make sure that we are not going to, again, enter into the wrong thing. I'm not sure if I have time to do this. Now, if I take this at 11 seconds, I actually might lose. Hopefully I don't. There we go. So you can actually take, as long as it is a strong, and we have strong momentum, you can take both when CCI is pointed down and Williams is pointed down. You just don't want to take it when CCI is up and Williams is down, such as this, because this is a sign of retracement, as you can see. Now, so I actually decided not to take any chances and continue trading, because I already got two, and that is good enough for me for a Sunday right now. So if you want to learn how to do this, you can do so right inside of Telegram for free. Use the link down in the description, and or at the top of your screen. It'll take you right in here. You can learn the golden setup for free, as well as many other things. So you can figure out how many trades it's going to take for you to leave your job. That's actually what I posted yesterday and today, as well as many other strategies. So if you are tired of using strategies that just don't warrant any results, then right now is the time that you should go jump into this, because it's the only recession-proof, inflation-proof, layoff-proof skill that you can have. All right, so smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and share this video with someone that you know that it would help. And I will see you in the next trading session, breakdown, or live. And I'll see you in the next video.